Pancreas cancer is probably one of the toughest cancers to treat, and the survival rate for patients with this disease is remarkably low, and the number of effective therapies is remarkably small. Almost 90% of all pancreas cancer patients have a mutation in a gene called KRAS. And so the discovery that Dr. Kinsey made was that when that pathway is blocked in pancreas cancer, they activate another pathway in the cell called autophagy, and that autophagy process protects the cells. Ultimately, Conan was able to translate that into a patient that he was seeing in the HCI gastrointestinal malignancies clinic, and that patient showed a remarkable response.
After a week, we saw a 50% reduction in his tumor marker, which in my experience with chemotherapy doesn't even happen after a month. And then when we did do imaging, we saw about a 50% reduction in tumor burden with, if you just looked at the liver, a complete response. So all the disease basically was not visible in his liver anymore.
Our hope is that the research that we've conducted in the laboratory that has been translated into a clinical trial will come up with a new therapy for patients with pancreas cancer that will be both effective but also safe and tolerable, and also relatively easy to give, since the therapy we are proposing is actually an orally available medication that is taken by tablets, compared to the current therapies which are done by infusion in an infusion center.